time ever on stage, guys. That's really cool. Told you it was funny. I sensed it. All right. Guys are a good crowd. Up next, a very funny person as well. I've seen her a couple of times here. Please give a warm round of applause for the very hilarious Susan Gilbert!
The microphone, swing back. How are we doing tonight?
Yeah!
It was awesome. It's the first time ever. Like, applause for him. Absolutely great job. I was talking to him out back, and I think that's great. Coming out, just putting it all out there. So I've been thinking a lot about, aging as far as, time's going by. As women get older, there's things you kind of start noticing, like more doctor's appointments, your purse keeps getting bigger. You're trying to cram all this shit in there as far as I was going to a concert. I'd be so bogged down, what can I get rid of? It's a notebook and some Midol and whatnot. What do I not need tonight kind of thing. And then there's the whole cougar thing. Got one out there? You were an animal print? Because I hear that's a big time sign, like a clue if you're an animal print. Seriously, this blog says this. This blog that I read is actually geared towards men. How to pin down a cougar. Warning signs, actually. I'm like, this is like a Google page 1 on the top. They've got some serious SEO going on to warn these guys about the cougars. I'm like, this is interesting. So not only are you wearing leopard print, you're wearing more blush. I had to put a little bit on. But you got sagging knees and elbows, hence the jeans and the jacket. You gotta try a little bit. I'm not quite hit the freaking wall yet. You know what I mean? But there's I thought it was crazy. A warning for the men. But y'all like it. It's actually the definition is an 8-year differential. It's really not that much. On the scheme of things, it's really not that much. People that have children, I got some moms out in the crowd, some friends of mine. Moms. Not only does your purse get bigger, your car gets bigger, the strollers get bigger. I'm at a baby shower. I was let's pitch in on the stroller. I'm there's 20, 30 guests. We're going to pitch in. What the hell is a stroller? Some whatever. And I looked it up. It's $2,000. I'm holy shit. It's got the big wheels and brakes, sun visor, whatnot. I was it's so crazy. After that, I'm walking to the park one day and I see this. I was oh, it's a double take. That's one of those strollers. Had I not taken the double take and known about that, I would have thought it was one of those smart cars, hopped up on a dolly or something. You could have all your shit with you at all times. Crazy. So as far as, I get aches and pains. I'm not old, but I've kind of crossed the threshold, I guess, as far as midlife. My back hurts, different things you never... Yeah? Got the aches and pains out there? I hear you. I've got a very sweet boyfriend out here somewhere, the lights. So my trip gift, he's out of town a lot, is a back pillow. I'm that's cool. I'm hell yeah. I'm on the road a lot, I'll take it. It begin to vibrate, it's gonna get the circulation going and whatnot. It's the neck and the back. I'm my neck, my back, going down the road, doing a song. I'm gonna say the rest of it, but that's cool. Feeling better. Thanks Warren, appreciate it. Props. Anyway, tons of changes. Got this, maybe the saggy knees, the elbows. Really can't tell yet. Get in the right situation, and maybe you will. But as far as just the whole we kind of sucks. But we're not old. We're not. We're not. Won't feel freaking old in 20 years. We won't really know about it. A person we had huge, or maybe I'll just stay at home, so I can't even lug all that crap around with me anymore. I was gonna freaking stay home, except for the special occasion. The family reunion or, that kind of stuff you actually have to go to. So driving around, got my back pillow. feeling good, except thinking maybe I'm kind of like I'm borderline cougarish. You know, what the hell's that all about? Thinking about the blog, and I see this. See a lot of homeless people in the area, you guys that live here. Just take note of this one gentleman. Like, he's shirtless. Like, he looks like he just like really seriously pumps up at the gym. I'm like, what the hell? Like, what, you know, he's got this sign. I'm like, hey, when I see the sign, so I'm looking by, I'm like, like I have songs in my head, like do my pillow and roll in the window to get him some money, like my mammogram prescription's falling out, my notepad, my freaking model, and your pens and notepads, all this crap, and little does he know, like, you know, like I'm not really, I mean, I don't think I'm a cougar, but he's thinking like, you know, lady, you know, you're really, maybe you should like kind of check yourself, you seem kind of like creepy to me. And I'm thinking, am I going to get a sexual harassment suit from this homeless guy? Like, that would be really freaking weird. But anyways, aches, pains, years here and there. Susan Gilbert, it was a blast. Thank you very much, West Palm Beach. One more time for Susan Gilbert!
Is a cougar. Wow. All right.
It's right here.
Guys are cool crowd.